is gone. What? Not a backflip. Oh. So you guys, I am back in the chair in the pink and white room, so you know where I'm at. I'm with my good sis Monique, and she finna do my hair, y'all. She finna get my hair straightened out, so I'm gonna be back with my hair done. I'm done diddy, okay? So if you're ready for this transformation, just wait on it. I'll be right back. I'm drunk, apparently. We done been taking shots at the hair appointment. I'm almost done. I'm drunk. Tore up. Wasted. But we almost finished.
Asha,
yeah.
let's do a backflip.
You about to?
Sit back there. Is you ready?
Not a black. What? Not a backflip. I absolutely You're lying too.
I was not expecting it. Oh, one more time.
You want to do one more time? You gotta do it again.
Well, I'm not gonna run this time.
You better make me again, bro. What the fuck? Y'all, I swear, bro, I did not know I was going up to this shit. I did not. Oh shit, okay, go ahead. Oh shit, okay, go ahead. I'm ready. Oh shit.
I think it might be too lit.
You bitch, me.
Okay, ready?
Please do not break your neck. Oh shit, oh god, guys, please give me a breath.
Okay, you ready? Okay, let me get serious. 1, 2.
You ain't doing this shit.
I want to, but this part might be a little hard. Let me get video.
We is good. We is good. Yo, buddy, that was the funniest shit I seen all night. All night, that top 10 funniest shit, bro.
Top 10.
My nail all crooked. You know.
Oh my God. No.
Let's go.
I should know. Period. Hey. Put some respect on my name. Hey, put some respect on my name. Boom. Hey. Hit it. Hey. Yeah. Asha with the motherfucking move.
Oh, there's the vlog. You're on the shot.
Let me get you another process.
I need more chaser. I honestly.
We ran out of
This.
Let me let her.
Yeah, because I'm like, I got
these for you.
I don't know how I'm supposed to do this shit.
My motherfucking hair hurt.
Your hair hurt?
Girl, that's the first time I ever felt like this in years. I'm gonna do it tomorrow and I'm gonna land it and I'm gonna send it to you.
Do it! Okay. Cause like you busted your ass for real. I was like, damn, she
That
taking
shit
this.
was so slow.
You want some more?
It
You
looked
good?
like I was weighed 160 pounds.
Tell me when that's good.
That's fine.
One more?
No, that's
No, okay, great.
fine.
Great.
Great. Tis the season.
'Tis the season to be jolly Vlogmas.
Period.
I'm done. I cannot take no more.
Nope.
We drunk. I promise you done took like at least 6-7
That
shots.
whole freaking bottle from the start to the end. Fernanda, that's this.
Niggas gone. Just know if you was wondering if niggas was gone, niggas is gone.
Obsolete.
Shit, y'all, I'm gone. Let me get the fuck off of here. Y'all know Monique. Y'all follow her if y'all ain't follow her already. Book with her.
Period.
Let her
We
hold.
about to get Asha together for the season.
Tis this.
Period.
Niggas just sit back. Because niggas is drunk. Bye, y'all. Yeah, because if you done, let me know.
I gotta put my hood on because the vlog can't see me looking on my hood.
They don't give a fuck now. They just want to see that. Like,
This shit look like crab.
Period. Not crab.
are you talking about the food?
Take that cape off. Take that cape off.
Let me do Superman on that hole. Let me use. Let me use.
She said, "I watch you." Period. Get in my sis together.
Y'all see what the fuck going on?
Blah.
It's giving what it's supposed to give.
Yeah. I get on this bitch. Now what we do?
I am deceased. Y'all can see we having a good time, as you could tell. The hair is laid. The face is laid. The liver is laid.
The liver is definitely laid. Put some respect on my name.
It's giving. Don't play with me. I'm not the 1 or the 2 or the 3
Period.
or the 4.
None of that shit.
You see where the lace at? I can't even spell lace. Where the fuck is it? Come on now, y'all see what the fuck going on? I'm not that bitch. She don't fuck the
Can't
fuck.
find it.
They ain't even finished that, yo. I need to stop. But like, look, as you can tell, she done fuck that shit. Like, she done really gave the what needed to be given.
Okay.
Look
They
at
never
the.
not gonna do that.
It's the way too.
Put some respect on the name.
Oh shit, yeah. I had. Hold on, I really gotta wait till I'm finished. Y'all already seen about the backflip. We drunk as fuck. Like, give us a second till we finish
We
for
do
real.
this for real.
Yeah, I'll be right back with the real final shit.
Yeah, you drunk as hell. Y'all in this bitch head.
It is.
Yeah.
And
And
as a hairstylist, I respect anything.
if you ain't lit that shit hair from me, are you really getting your hair done?
And ain't.
I don't think so.
How's getting their hair done for real?
Your hair ain't really that done for real. Your hair is not that laid for real. Your hairstylist ain't that lit for real.
Okay.
You out there you be bored as fuck at your hair appointments, what I'm hearing. I ain't trying to be like that. I ain't going out like that. But you can go out like that if you want to go out like that. I ain't going out like that. I'm going to have a good time.
It always is.
Okay.
Some respect on my name.
So we eventually finished the hair, and as you guys can tell, it came out so freaking bomb. I want to shout out to Monique again. You know she do her thing. I don't go nowhere else because I know she gonna slay me, and I freaking love her so much. You guys, if you guys need your hair done, definitely go book with her. I want to also thank Shine Hair for sending me this wig and providing it for us so we could do this style. I love all the hair companies that I work with, but this one is just, a little special to me because, they messed with me and wanted to work with me again. So I appreciate y'all. And you guys, if you waited to the end and you at the end of this video, thank you so much. You are officially an astronaut. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I can't wait to see you tomorrow because guess what? It's Vlogmas. We back with another video. Bye.